Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Bashem, Yahweh Shai, Bahashem, Bokar, Kardash, and the Heavenly Father. True name is Yahweh, and his only begotten Son, Bahashem, the name of Mashiach Kabashai. Those are the true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, the Mashma Kadash on the tongue. That's it, Barakadam to the elders and apostles, Wa'akim, Wa'akwaf, and I say Shalom. And this is a quick sit-down lesson of the earthquakes in diverse places as of August the 21st, 2025, on this Thursday morning. And this is from volcanodiscovery.com from the earthquake monitor, August the 21st, 2025, Thursday, 11:34 time. And it says a significant magnitude of a 6.0 earthquake, 148 kilometers southeast of Valley Skansky of Russia. It says just 12 minutes ago, a magnitude, a 6.0 magnitude earthquake struck near the Valaski Yazlovsky district of Kamaskaska, Russia. The tremor was recorded late night on Thursday, August the 21st, 2025 at 10:21 p.m. local time. A moderate shadow depth of 32 kilometers below the surface. The event was filed by the European Mediterranean Seismological Centre at ESMC. It says the first seismological agencies to report it. A monitoring service identified a second report from France National Surveillance Centre of Renaissance, if I pronounced that right, which lists the quake at a magnitude 5.7, and other agencies reported the same quake, including the Citizens Seismographic Network of Raspberry Shake at magnitude 5.9, and German Research Center from Geoscience, GFC, at a magnitude 5.9. Based on the preliminary seismic data, the quake should not have caused any significant damage, but was probably felt by many people, and a light vibration in the area of the epicenter. Right, so that was a 6.0 earthquake over there in the Russian peninsula. It says, could Alaska next big earthquake come with a life-saving countdown? Question mark. It says a 5.1 earthquake hits Papua New Guinea. Now let's go to the earthquake site, USGS.gov, and you had a 5.0 earthquake over there in Papua New Guinea. 5.8 earthquake was recently, it was a 6.0 earthquake. 2.7 earthquake in California, the Northwest Peliacos, if I pronounced that right, of California. 4.5 earthquake recorded 93 kilometers southeast of Valley of Russia. 2.7 earthquake recorded 13 kilometers northeast of California. 3.6 earthquake recorded 39 kilometers southeast of the Dominican Republic. 3.2 earthquake recorded 3 kilometers south and southwest of Halabia of Hawaii. 4.3 earthquake recorded. That's 41 kilometers of Alagoas, Chile. 4.6 earthquake recorded. 17 kilometers northeast of Eugene, Taiwan. 2.9 earthquake recorded. 1 kilometers east of Mount Vernon, Washington. 4.7 earthquake. 196 kilometers west and northwest of Alipura of Indonesia, if I pronounced that right. 2.7 earthquake recorded. 7 kilometers southwest of Yountville, California. 4.3 earthquake recorded. 9 kilometers southwest of Teleujomalco of Mexico. 2.7 earthquake recorded. 1 kilometer south of Guanacaste, Puerto Rico. 4.6 earthquake recorded. 162 kilometers southeast of Valley of Russia. So those was the latest earthquake so far. as of August the 21st, 2025, on this Thursday morning. And this is the Gospel of Matthew, chapter 24, and verse 7. Red letter Yahushua speaking. It says, "For nation shall rise against nation, and kingdom against kingdom, and there shall be famines and pestilence and earthquakes in diverse places." Right, that's the key word, earthquakes in diverse places. So we're going to be seeing increasing earthquakes in various places, and increasing of earthquakes in diverse places. So with that, hopefully this quick sit-down lesson was edifying of the latest of earthquakes in diverse places as of August the 21st, 2025, when it's Thursday morning. So with that, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Shem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Shem, Wakar Kadash, and the Heavenly Father, true name is Yahweh, and His only begotten Son Ba'Shem, the name of Mashiach Kabashai. Those are the true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, the Lashma Kadash tongue. Now I say Barak Thumb to the elders and apostles, Wa'akim, Wa'akwaf. Until next time, I would say Shalom.